Kristo asundie enkamo ewo Yesu Kristo dimo 2019 ye be read different levels mo si ensaka video bi a na se kwetie Nyankopɔ asɛm a in fact ye be kyerɛ adwen ɛno so nkyerɛ sɛ ye be di atama na sɛ bi a ye be yi obi a na sɛ na emom no wo de Bible no etoto ho a na wa kyerɛ wa adwen ewo comment section no. In fact, I was there this evening now. Emma maybe sending me message be. In fact, me tell you, so what kind of message now? This I saw for be members no. This is total pollution. This is absolute total pollution. You pollute members no. Telling them not to accept who naturally they are, and I find it offensive to me. In fact, in a way, no, what the ebusia for more than one kasa munhwe video we. Na more than one chere mo adwene e wo comment section. Mesere mo mempese obi bia be di obi atam ho. E mo obi ndi obi atam. But said the wa adwene ye wo in terms of Nyankopɔ asɛm no. E pese wo chere wa adwene e wo comment section ho. Nyankopɔn enhyira mo ni na e wo Yesu di mu. Amen.
And sister, you to stop thinking that it will just happen. For some of you young ladies, I get amazed. As for me, I believe in natural beauty. Believe in natural beauty. In this Ghana we are living in, when the Bible says man looks at the outward, it's only God who looks at the heart. Your natural beauty is only God who appreciates it. The young brothers, because in the schools and wherever the young brothers go, there are all these young ladies. They are dressing. When they are coming, they are walking in style. You are still walking like that. You are a sister, and you have come to church and you are sweating and you don't have a handkerchief, and you sister, you are doing this. Because God looks at the heart. When you close work and you are coming to evening service, look for some corner, or when you get to the church premises, go into the ladies' room, because you have some small makeup kit in your bag. She your face. Say why? Because man looks at the outward. And some of you ladies, once you marry, and if you are in the choir, you are singing, you are doing this, you think that is, when you see the ladies who are married and they are in the choir, praise the Lord, hallelujah. Pray. And when they are among the ushering department, meeters and greeters, yes, can I show you? Can you sit over there? When they are prayer warriors, they don't use the right hand, only the left hand. But unfortunately, once they marry and they put on the ring, they think that is all. So they don't care for themselves anymore. So challenge your husband, the kind of girls they meet in a day. You don't want to set a trap for him. Because all these girls in the office, and these days, some of the girls, they are wild though. And the other, hey, brother. When they are going for lunch, they buy some for him. Even though you have given him packed lunch. But the kind of lunch, the way the food is garnished, decorated, at times it's just tomatoes and lettuce. But the way they will decorate it, when he comes to the house and you give him the kenke, you just give him the kenke like that. Kenke and fish, the way they will decorate. Give God praise. Give him praise.